That we now have a culture of demolishing structures in Zimbabwe. This year alone, we saw several demolitions just yesterday in Budiriro, a couple of weeks ago in Chitungwiza, in various areas around Harare. My clarion call today is to the President of Zimbabwe, Mr. President Mnangagwa, to stop these demolitions. It is clear and evident that the Ministry of Local Government has failed to stop these demolitions. Our judiciary system is actually okaying the demolition of structures. What happened to dealing with the corruption around these demolitions? What is happening to the land barons? What is happening to the scrupulous councillors? Because these structures did not mushroom overnight. There are procedures that are followed when one gets a stand, up to the time when they erect a house or buildings, whether it's a shopping center or schools, like what happened in Chitungwiza, where we found schools being demolished, a whole shopping center being demolished. What is the role of social protection? What role is government playing in ensuring the right to personal security is strengthened? What role is government playing in ensuring that the right to dignity is upheld? Section 51 and 52 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe continues to be violated to the people of Zimbabwe. Government has got a responsibility to ensure social protection. Every person has got equal access to the law and should be protected equally by the law. But we continue seeing the law protecting the scrupulous councils, protecting the scrupulous land barons at the expense of the human dignity of the suffering masses in Zimbabwe. It is hard enough to make ends meet, to feed a family. Now imagine what those women, those families are going through who got their houses demolished yesterday, who got their houses demolished earlier this year. What are we doing to our people? We should have a heart. As Labour, Economists and Afrikan Democrats, we are a political party that believes in social justice, that believes in social democracy. But what are we doing to our people? The pictures and the videos that I've seen from Budiriro, where women are crying, young girls are out in the rain, are really heartbreaking. What kind of people are we? Mr. Mnangagwa, you are not the president of Zanu-Pf. You are the president of Zimbabwe. I am appealing to you. I'm humbly asking for your intervention in regards to these demolitions. Let us deal with the corruption surrounding the illegal acquisition of land. Let us deal with the land barons. Let us find ways to deal with the scrupulous, unethical and corrupt council officials in the council, and spare and have a heart and a thought for the families that are being left in the rain during this particular time. My clarion call once again, Mr. Mnangagwa, is please stop the demolitions.